Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to go and delete Evony account permanently. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and Play Store or the App Store and type in of course Evony, download the game, log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete Evony account permanently. So first of all, you need to go to the bottom right corner, click on these three dots, and then here we have items, generals, friends, and settings. Click on the last one, which is settings. Now in the settings, we have language notifications option and account. Click on account, and here you can of course look for delete account. So here we have how it is linked: email, game center, Facebook, or Apple. We can link another account, start new game. In the bottom we have switch account, family group, but when we scroll to the bottom, there we have, as you can see, delete account permanently, delete account, which you can click on. So warning, current game progress will be deleted. Please input the verification code to confirm. Then go and type in here. You need to go, and as you can see, this confirm button is gray. So you need to go and put in delete, how they said that it should be put. And now it's of course green. You can click on it or cancel if you don't want. But when you click on it, the account will be deleted. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, bye guys.